Good morning, students. As we have discussed in the class, question number 1 of the exercise 3.4. Okay, we have discussed this first question in the class, that how we can take out the square root of the following decimal numbers using the long division method. Okay, now I am telling you this question. Might be some students has written the question, might be some are having confusion in any step. You can go through with the video and you can see the steps once again. Okay, this was the question that we have done in the class, in the online class. Like question number 1 is 0.09 is given to you. How you will take out the square root with the long division method. Okay, first you will write down 0.09 here. Okay, from the back, from the last digit, you have to make pairing. Okay, you have to make pairing. Okay, so this is your first pair and this is a single digit, so this is left. Okay, you have to mark it as a single. So first of all, 0 zeros are 0. Okay, now 0 minus 0, 0 will be there. Now take out the next two digits together. Okay, you take out the next pair having two digits. To take out two digits, when you will take out these two digits, then you will see that 09 is there. 09 means only 9. Okay, so that means 9 will be there. So 9, when you will take out these two digits together, you have to place a decimal here. Okay, at that time. Now 3 3s are 9 and 9 minus 9, nothing, 0 will be there. So your answer is 0.3. This is the answer. Okay, then we have discussed part number B in the online class. Like this is given to you. First of all, write down in this long division method the symbol, how to write down. Now you have to mark pairing. Okay, you have to mark a pairs from the last digit. First pair, second pair, third pair. Now first digit is first number is 14. Now 14 will go on which table? 1 1s are 1, will be smaller. 2 2s are 4, will be smaller. 3 3s are 9, will go. Okay, so 14 minus 9 is 5. Now take out the next two digits together. Now you can see that when you will take out these two digits, before that decimal is there. So please at that time you have to place a decimal in your answer. Okay, now write down these two digits here. Now 3 plus 3 6. Now I will write which number here, which digit here, so that my multiplication will be lesser than this 506. Now I will write here 7. 67 7s are 469. You have to subtract it, answer will be 37. Now take out next two digits. When you will take out the next two digits, you can see that in the next two digits there is no decimal, so no decimal will come. Okay, once you have to place a decimal in the answer. Okay, now this is 3725 and 67 plus 7 is 74. Now you have to see that I will write which number, I will multiply with which number, so that my this whole number will be cancelled. So I will, because last digit is 5, so I will multiply with 5. 7 4 5 5 is 3725. Yes, it is completely, it completely goes on this number. Okay, so remainder is 0. So now your answer is 3.75. This is your answer. Clear? Then we have discussed some parts in the class. Part number C, we have discussed. Part number D, we have discussed. Okay, so now I am discussing with you part number C. Part number C is 1772.41. 1772.41. Now write here. Okay, draw this long division method symbol. Now write down this number here. Now start making pairs from the last digit. Okay, after making it, now you will have to check it out. These two digits will go on which table? It will go on 4. 4 4s are 16. Okay, now 17 minus 16 is equal to 1. Take out next two digits together. When you will take out the next two digits together, you can see that there is no decimal. So no decimal will come. Okay, whenever decimal will come, then only you have to place a decimal over here. Okay, so now see that it is 172. Okay, now 4 plus 4 8. Now I will multiply with 2. 82 2s are 164. Subtract it, answer will be 8. Now take out the next two digits. When you will take out the next two digits, decimal is there. Now you have to place a decimal in the answer. Okay, now so 841 is there here. 82 plus 2 is 84. I will write with which number? I will multiply with which number? Obviously with 1. 84 ones are 841 ones are 841. Okay, so our remainder is 0. So now your answer is 42.1. This is the answer. Clear? Okay, now the next part is D part. In this D part, okay, I've told in the class, please do this D part very carefully. Okay, now this D part is 8136.04. okay, make this long division method symbol. Now start making pairs from the back, from the last digit, start making pairs. Now 81 will go on which table? 9. 9 9s are 81. 81 minus 81, 0. Take out these two digits together, 36. Okay, now 9 plus 9, 18. If I'll write any digit here, my answer will be bigger than this 36. Okay, just forget this 4. Okay, right now I have taken out 36. 36 means if I'll multiply with any number here, okay, my answer will be bigger than 36. So now I have to take out these two digits also. When I take out these two digits, 04 means only 4. 0 will not come. 0 will not come. 04 means 4. Okay, let me check if we have done in any, yeah, like in the A part 09 was there. Okay, I have taken only 9. I have taken only 9. Similarly in here you have to take out this. Just wait. Okay, this is 04. Okay, so 04 means you have to write here, you have to take out only 4. So 364. Now you have to multiply with 2. 182 2s are 364. So answer will be 90.2. This is your answer. Got it? Okay, now we are moving to the next. Now I am telling you part number C also. Oh, sorry, C, D I have done. Now I'm going to tell you part number E. Okay, 268.96.96. After decimal, we always say like this, like 96. Okay, this is your question. So write in this way. Start making pairs from the back digit, last digit. Okay, now first is 2. 2 is single, so 2 will go on 1 1s are 1. 2 minus 1 1. Take out these two digits together. Okay, now 1 plus 1 2. So you have to multiply with 6. 26 6 are 156. Subtract it, answer will be 12. Now take out two digits together. When you will take out these two digits, before the decimal is there, so you have to place a decimal here. Okay, 1296 is there. 26 plus 4 is 32. 32 you have to multiply with which number, so that your this last number will be completely cancelled. You have to see that. So you will multiply with 4. 3 to 4 multiply with 4, answer will be 1296. Now your answer is 16.4. Got it? Okay, now the next is F part. F part we have done in the class. This is the question. Start making pairs. Okay, first is 31. So it will go on 5. 5 5s are 25. Now take out next two digits. 31 minus 25, 6. Next two digits are 1 3. Before the decimal is there, please you have to place a decimal here. Okay, now 5 plus 5 10. So you have to write here 5, multiply 105 with 5, you have to multiply it, answer will be 525. Okay, now side by side you have to check it out that it will go on which table. Okay, which digit I should place here. Now subtract it, answer will be 88. Okay, take out these two digits together. Okay, now 105 plus 5 is 110. So 110, I will write here 8, so that I will write 8 here, and after multiplication my this number will completely goes in this number. It is equal to 8864. Okay, so you can cancel it. Answer is equal to 5.58. This is your answer. Got it? So this is your first question, complete first question. Okay.